Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Lucas here, or BTTFKid on Xbox One, and we have the Nerdblock today, and we're going to open this today. So let's see what's inside. Okay, I got a gray worm from Game of Thrones, it says. And then I also got another Game of Thrones, what's it called, a vinyl figure. And then we got a awesome like poster thing, cardboard. That's pretty cool, from Batman versus Superman. Then we got a Arrested Development. I don't know what that is. It looks weird. And we also got a signed thing, a signed picture or autograph from Martin Cove, because it's signed right there. And we also have the shirt, which is, Pops, you're gonna love this. It's Daredevil. And we also just got these cards that say what it is and like what I got. So yeah, that was the Nerdblock. So this has been BTTFKid, and see you next time.